Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to um, make a Siri voice on a TikTok. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the TikTok application. Whenever you open the TikTok, you will be bringing the home section, and now let's just create a new post by click this plus button. Whenever you go into this TikTok camera, you just need to choose the duration of the video that you want to record, and you just need to start record. And now whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and now you can start
If you look for it,
and now you can start typing the text by click this alphabet and stop typing. For example, to start record. To start record. Okay, whenever you done typing, you just need to take a look on this part. There will be a symbol of someone speaking. You just need to click it.
Hello, let's grab coffee.
You just need to choose the recommendations of the voice
Hello,
that you want.
let's grab coffee.
That I'll suggest you for this.
Hello, let's grab coffee.
And then you just need to go click done.
Hello, let's grab coffee.
And now you just need to go click next, and your post is ready to be uploaded into your TikTok account. So that's the way how to make Siri voice on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.